abantu ebiseera ebisinga bayingira ebintu by'okukola farm nga bali mu myaka 6-7 retirement. What is your take over that?
Retirement sandi wagidde muntu kusooka ku retiringa nadda mu bulunzi ne mu bulimi. Obulunzi buno n'obulimi bukwetaaga mu myaka ng'okyali mutototo. Tandika okuteekamu ssente mu bulunzi ne mu bulimi ng'okyali muvubuka muto, ssente bwe baweeri tandika n'ekitini ky'olina oteeke ku faamu. Nti in such a way nti bw'oba otuuse ku retiringa oretiringa mu kintu ekyateekebwawo edda ojja kufuna pressure y'amaanyi. Okulunda kuno n'okulima kubeeramu pressure y'amaanyi nnyo, so tesaalyagadde muntu wa myaka 6 kutandika kino ekintu yalitandise gali mu myaka nga 3 oba 35.
Okay.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Let me hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for keeping on our channel. God bless you. My name is Erina from Ring Local Poultry Farm. We are located here in Entebbe off Abaitababi Road. In case of anything, consultation or training, if you want a training, or if you want local birds and their products, you can call us on 0763 791 448. Thank you so much for supporting us. People from the US, Kenya, UK, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Vietnam, Philippines, Zimbabwe. Guys, thank you so much. Today, I would like to share something. But that's something. So my friends, yesterday we had a training at the farm, by the way, yesterday. So one of the people came up with a question. It was a lady, actually an old lady. She came up with a question like, can I keep local chickens in my retirement? Like, can keeping local chickens be my retirement plan? Then I was like, yes, why not? Keeping local chickens or any other types of chickens can be a good fit for retirement. Why not? Even if you keep layers or broilers or cradles, whatever. But when you have been trained, you've gone through a training, I think you will do a good job. You will not lose your money because you have known what it takes to do what, to have a good plan before you do start a farm. Okay,
guys, this video is all about how you can keep local chickens as your retirement plan. It's never too early to have a retirement plan because preparing yourself well beforehand guarantees you financial security when you finally reach retirement. Unfortunately, even the best laid plans can fail because some workers diligently save for retirement, draw up plans to invest their savings, but only do watch the money go down the drain because of ill-informed investment decisions. You can be lucky and receive your pension, but if you don't put it to good use, my friend, if you don't put it to good use, you end up not being a happy retiree. So there is need for everyone, both in public sector and private, formal and informal employment, to have a retirement plan. Now, local chicken farming can be a good option for retirement in Uganda because the country's agricultural importance is vital. It's a vital part of Uganda's economy, employing over 70% of the population and contributing to 25% of the GDP. Alongside local chicken farming, one can decide to grow some profitable crops like matoke and coffee, but you have to be passionate about farming. So it's a way of pursuing a passion. Like I remember my late father retired from his government job and he started his dream of being a farmer. But he had already started at 45. He didn't start at 60. So you can also do the same. But remember that a successful farmer or successful farming will require constant monitoring, record keeping, and efficient management. So these days, many people, including the youth, are going into farming, either as a primary or alternative employment, because farming is another option for being financially empowered. I think local chicken farming is one of the ways you can plan a happy retirement. Envisioning your new life, who you will be, and what you will be doing is the most important part of your retirement plan. So if you need any help, like getting started, you can call us on 0763 791 448. Working hard while still young is very good. You can't be comfortable in your youthful stage. No gamba mbojja kuba bulungi mu bukadde bwo. Tosobola kubeera comfortable ng'oli mu buvubuka bwo, n'obeera comfortable ng'oli mu bukadde. So whoever is uncomfortable in his or her youthful stage, he or she is working whoever is working hard, and of course will be comfortable in her old age, in his or her old age. But those of you who are very comfortable in your youthful stage, my friend, you're most likely to be uncomfortable in your old age. Kiringanga webagamba nti gwenga omuvubuka, kale gwenga omuvubuka okoledde ki obwajjajjaabwo oba obukadde bwo. Oyinza atya okubanga oli awo okola bukozi katemba oba fujjo, naye nga weerabidde nti obukadde mu maaso eyo ogenda kubusobola otya okubeerawo obulungi? Teri ayagala kukyalira mukadde mukodo ate nga mwavu. Ndowooza ebyo byonna mwenna mubimanyi. Teri akyalira mukadde mukodo ate nga mwavu. If you have your parents nga bali eyo, taata oba maama, oba planingira ekintu nga kino, obulamu ne bugenda mu maaso. Okay?